Okay, hey guys, so I am back with another video, and this one is showing you how I achieve a quick protective style with clip-ins that I made. I just wanted to do an intro to the video so that I could give you some tips that I wanted to share with you with regard to the clip-ins, and just let you know what my process was, what kind of hair this is, although I can't remember. But before I get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to like the video if you like the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I hope that I can see you here. I can feel your presence here in future. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you use clip-ins, what kind of clip-ins do you use, what texture of hair do you like to use with your clip-ins, and what is your general process. Okay, so let me get into my process. So let me just start by saying that this is my first time using clip-ins or anything of that sort. I have only done a weave once, and I used a closure, a frontal, because I'm natural and I didn't want to press out my hair. I didn't know how it would turn out. With respect to blending and all of that good stuff. I did that about 2 years ago, and if you follow me on Instagram you would have seen the pictures of the long weave. This is the same hair actually that I used for this weave, but I decided to turn it into clip-ins. So let me just tell you off the bat that I made these clip-ins myself, so they're not professional in any way, shape or form. And this hair isn't even your highest grade hair. This is actually synthetic hair that tries to mimic human hair, that would tell you something about human hair on the package, but if you look at the package carefully, you'd realize that they're saying that it behaves like human hair or something to that extent. I can't remember the name of the brand that I used. If I figure it out, I will add it as a comment and highlight my comment, because I don't know it, and I will also add it to the description box if I do find out the name. My hair is cornrowed, so what I pretty much did, I cornrowed the sides of my hair down this way. I separated my hair from ear to ear, and then I separated my ear to ear part in half, and I took out a small bit of leave out from the center towards that ear, and a small bit of leave out from the center to that ear, and then I cornrowed the back of my hair down. Now I just joined the cornrows one to each other going towards the back. I just took two and pinned them this way, and took the other two and pinned them this way. My hair can be flatter. And also I just wanted to mention that this is the 7th day with using these clip-ins, because I challenged myself to using a week of clip-ins as a protective style. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that already in my stories. So this is the end of the week. So my leave out is not as flat as it was initially. I only flat ironed my leave out the first day that I installed this style, the first day that I installed the clip-ins, and I refused to flat iron it again because I don't want to be a victim of heat damage. I already don't use it that much, so it would be a shame. As a result, the leave out that you're seeing currently is not as stretched or as silky or as pressed as it was on the first 2 days. And also I live in the Caribbean, so I need to mention that I live in the Caribbean, and humidity or rain is going to take out the silkiness of your leave out if you do decide to do it that way. And so I resorted to doing these 2 flat twists towards the end of the 7 days, from day 3 onwards, because it bended my leave out without me having to flat iron it again. With regards to maintenance of my leave out, I would just use the flaxseed oil that I showed you guys, and I would add the flaxseed oil to it every night, and if I needed to I would add a little bit more in the morning so that I could make my hair silky. I took down the clip-ins every night and I installed them afresh every morning, and it takes only about 15 minutes. As soon as you get the hand, you can do it in 10 minutes, which was very convenient for me. In future, I will choose a yaki texture hair that matches my hair a little better. Although this isn't bad and you're not seeing it, and persons thought that I had pressed out my hair actually. But I will choose a more coarse texture in future if I decide to do this again. I will decide to do it again. I'm quite enjoying this experience. And so the yaki texture would not be as shiny, and it would blend even better. So these are my tips, these are my little tricks that I used. I didn't use anything else on my hair apart from the oil and a little gel for my edges, so you can lay your edges as you desire, just don't touch your leave out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.